Okay, you'll have to bear with me for today's video. We're doing a little bit of a freelance kit haul. However, I have limited space and just daylight to work off of. And I broke my tripod, so I'm holding the camera with my hand, which means it will not be steady. So I apologize in advance, but yeah, I got some new goodies for the kit and I wanted to show them to you. First things first is this. It's actually a silicone mat. It's just a black, really thin silicone mat. And I got this to put down on my station instead of towels. I thought that it would be a lot nicer because then I can clean and sanitize it in between people. I'm not carrying a bunch of towels with me, and this takes up a lot less space once it's rolled up than carrying a towel or two. And I feel like it's more sanitary as well because I can clean it in between people. I will leave all of this stuff linked below, by the way. The next thing that I picked up are these brush canisters. Now they look like the MAC brush canisters where it's kind of adjustable, so they can be this height, which is the smallest, or this is the tallest that they can go. And so I'm excited to use these for brushes. My goal is to put 2 sets of brushes in each so that when I get to a job, I can just open up the canisters like this and have a set in each canister, and then I can take painter's tape and label it with the person's name. I also picked up this Skin Fix. This is from their eczema line. It's their hand repair cream. As a makeup artist, you are constantly cleaning, sanitizing, washing your hands just to be as cleanly as possible, which unfortunately does dry them out really bad. And I also have a desk job. That's my day job. And so I'm always typing and touching papers and stuff. So dry hands are a problem for me. So I got this and I have been using it for a little while and I actually really enjoy it. It takes a little bit to sink in and a little goes a long way. So I actually really like this and I think it'd be a great thing for a makeup artist. Then I did pick up a couple makeup products here. I got this little mini sample set of Rare Beauty blushes. I've heard such good things about this blush formula. They are supposedly super pigmented and easy to work with and look pretty on everybody. So I just went with this. You've got a more peachy one and then 2 kind of pinkier shades. And I went with the minis because I'm just testing a new product, and B, like I said, I heard a little goes a very long way. So if I like these, then I can throw them into my kit. And then I picked up some more Danessa Myricks color fixes. This has been a new find of mine that I have been in love with. So yeah, we've got several shades here. And I picked up one of the glazed shades. This is kind of like her glossy. And this is in the shade Coffee. And I thought this would be a really, really pretty, this is more of what the shade looks like, a really pretty nude gloss option. I do like her glaze formula, so I'm really excited to add that to the kit. And then I picked up a couple of the matte shades. I picked up the shade Trooper, which is kind of like a deep, like, gray-green. And I like to use darker shades like this that aren't quite black for liner, because sometimes it can look a little less intense. And then I picked up the shade Gingerbread, which is just a very warm, kind of like slightly red tone brown. And I just needed a warmer brown to add to my collection for those. And then I picked up another one of my favorites. This is the shade Exposed, and it's a lighter, slightly cooler toned brown. And I really, really like it. This also is a really pretty lip color. And then I picked up some of the foiled shades. The first shade I picked up is Milky Way. This is just your light, kind of icy champagne-y color. Just a nice staple to have. And then I picked up the shade Fantasy. This kind of has a bit of like a pinky gold shift to it, but it's really, really pretty and will also be nice for bridal looks. And then I couldn't help myself. I picked up the shade Jewels, which is one of her newer ones. And can you see that? It's like green and brown and gold and just gorgeous. And I absolutely cannot wait to put this. This might be a personal purchase. I don't know. But I'm including it in here because it's Danessa Myricks and her color fixes are gorgeous. And I cannot, like, just look at it. It's so pretty. So that's it for makeup items. It's not very exciting that way. But I also picked up from Artist Kit Company. This is the acrylic palette 2.0. And the 1.0 is basically just these 4 wells. You would have seen it in my last kit video, the part 2. I'll link that below. But this one has those 4 plus 2 bigger wells, which is so great. So you can do your foundation mixing in one and you can put powder in the other. And it's kind of like a little one-stop shop for all of your things that you have to take out of packaging to use on somebody. You could put concealers in one, you know, this and like your flat acrylic palette is just like the perfect combo. And so I'm so excited for this. And then I picked up a couple of these, metal trays from Amazon. These are stainless steel. It came in a 2-pack. They're pretty good size, like brushes will fit on them pretty nicely. And my plan for this is to take, as I'm working, have this on the side of my station, and anything that I use, brushes, tools, lip and eyeliners, stuff like that, just put anything into here. That way if I need to pick up brushes again or anything, I can pick from here. It keeps it off my station and contained into one area. And this item itself, it's stainless steel, so you can easily clean and sanitize this between people. There's no sharp edges or anything on it. I know that was a concern when I was looking at these on Amazon. But it's basically like just like a lab tray, like what the dentist would have, and put like all the little tools on. But yeah, I thought this was a wonderful idea. I don't know which YouTuber I saw do this, but I watched a few like freelance makeup kit videos, and I saw somebody do this, and I thought that it was just a really great idea. But that's everything. I do have some more like lashes, and like I put the little individual makeup remover wipes into my like touch-up kits, and I have ordered some of those, but I don't have them with me. But those are not really the fun stuff anyway. But I will keep you updated on how I'm liking the mat, the trays, the brush holders, that kind of stuff. And like I said, I will try to link every single item below. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, or video ideas, please let me know. I would love to hear it below in the comments. And I look forward to the next one. Bye.